Look at the haul.
All
Let's
those
see.
are Claire's. Every single one of these.
Yes. Yes, there she is. The girl of the moment. The girl of the moment. Yes, there she is.
She's very excited about all this.
She wants Eeyore.
Get Eeyore.
She wants Eeyore.
Matthew.
She's allergic to Eeyore. Santa was good to you guys. Look at this. Wooey wooey. Okay. Well, do Claire's. Do a couple of hers. Now, who's that from?
Santa.
That's a Santa gift? So,
Did you want to come sit over here and open some too? Huh?
yeah, it's going to take both of you.